Ano tong campground na ito? Low water?
Low water bridge.
Low water bridge. Okay, we're here at low water bridge. Our executive chef here, Maki. Alright. With the garlic rice. Man, I have a vlog with that garlic rice, man. That's where we park our car. Ganito lang, we're always here. Sa campground na to, lapit lang eh, di ba?
Yeah.
And then maganda rin yung banda doon, malapit sa banyo. The water talaga.
Magbabayad yun.
Ano?
Magbabayad yun.
Yeah. Something. Ano? Yeah, isang spot.
Okay. Sila iba rin bayad nila.
Yeah. Dalawang spot natin yun eh. Kung saan kayo nakapark. Yung water, di ba? Pag-ilalay kayo yung family. And the star of the show here, my dear wife, and she's gonna sleep here tonight, overnight. We're gonna go home Sunday.
Dad, kanila, Dad.
Okay, with colleagues.
Hey.
Hello. All right, Dominic, gonna swim today? You're gonna swim here today? Dom, you wanna swim here today?
Yan deep yan kasi si Ixi yung pan.
And see na?
Daddy will have to check the surroundings.
All right, this is a low water campground here. Okay, you gonna wanna swim?
Oy, he joked up to you too.
Okay. Be careful. I think the water is very clean. We can swim. All right.
I know. Wanna swim? Ito oh.
Yeah, we can. Sa Pilipinas nga eh, sa baha naliligo tayo eh. Dito pa.
Tell Daddy to do your the balloon. Bolívar.
Next time, we go tubing here.
Oh.
We come and go tubing. Yeah, tubing in the river.
Like
Nice.
Tube in the water.
start from there. Hindi
Alright.
they're gonna
Diyan babaan doon, or sometimes doon. Yung rental dyan lang eh, bago the bridge. Diba tawag kayong bridge?
I saw that. Sa kanila pala yun.
Yeah, do you I don't know now. I mean, that's a long time ago. Or if you want, yan naman sa Koso, ibili ka yung tube. Yeah, you just gonna pay them for transport.
All right. So this is one of our menu today.
Ay, nadala niyo yung bala ko?
Yeah.
Nasaan?
And the chef, what's your name again? Mark. Mark, right?
Bet, nadala niyo yung bala ko?
But no Tagalog, only English.
Tagalog.
Ah? No Tagalog? Oh, it's okay. Sa Tagalog pala si Mark. Eh. Kaya naman dyan tayo para makalimutan natin. English tayo na English, eh, di ba? Kahit na ako din parang...
Isa pa.
Sa bang ano?
It's known.
Bro, ba't mo nakalimutan ko?
Hindi wala yung share.
Sinadya.
Para awayin ko daw siya.
Please, din yung agwa ga.
I wanna eat something first before I...
Ito ang pinipang natin.
Manday lang man to. Iyo yan drive, iyo yan kuhan, ikaw manda patukmigo.
Hindi yan, Dad. Dali lang to Eliabe, Dad. Si Ixi lang, Dad. O, there, oh.
Oy, fix it.
And in
Get
our
the
car
rice.
also, saan ang susunod?
Everything.
I will help you, baby. Ano, di ba bag?
What did you eat for breakfast?
Oh, hot dog, sausage, and bacon. water is not bad.
Kasi kung pag ma-miss mo, di ba? Yung kung saan ka titigil. Goodbye. Yeah. Ayan o, diretso na.
Dito, no? Dito yung camera.
Sa gitna, yung below
Ito?
No, yung sa left.
Ito?
Ayan o, di ba? Yung camera.
We're about to eat lunch. What kind of snack are you gonna get? No, Chloe, we're about to eat lunch. Because they eat and you don't. That's the reason why. If you eat a snack, you're not gonna eat this. Please.
Ricky man. Hindi si Pauline. It's okay, I'm okay with that.
Baka madapa ka sana. Okay. It's the two sides, okay? To the left? Yeah, yeah, it's all.
Kami ni Maki natutulog kami sa rooftop.
I brought goggles. Dominic, look your baby. Mama, the goggles. Where's the goggles? Here. You sit down, down.
I put it inside the one.
I saw underwater. Did somebody give me their goggles?
There lang. Diyan lang tayo. Just stay there. Bella. Stay here, Shivar. Bella, stay here. Dominic.
I'm gonna float. Let me float.
Oh my goodness. How can I sleep? How can I sleep? Oh my goodness. How can I sleep? He attacked me. How can I sleep? Oh my god, how can I sleep? Oh my goodness. Ah. You're gonna go down in the water. Oh goodness. How can I sleep? How can I sleep? Okay. How can I sleep? Okay, Dominic, you go down there. You're I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. All right. Lucky, love you. All right, Lucky, love you. Okay, Lucky. Okay, Lucky, love you. So we're here in a company. Okay. Right. Well. All right. So Lucky here. We're in a camping ground here, and somebody's there. Some kids is in that video here. Sit. So I'm taking video. Blue water camping ground. All right. So this is the front of the. Here, this is the office here. It's the office. And they're going there. Inside. Agora também para mim teles feliz, outra. Run, run, go to daddy, go to daddy, go to daddy, go to daddy. What happened? What happened? Huh?
Where are you and... Si ano daw? Natugo yung ito niya sa kabisa. Bakit?
Nahulog siguro.
Sinun to? With nail
All right. This is for dinner. Chef Tablante here. Fresh from Zamboanga City. And Don is, what are you gonna cook, Don? What is this? Bacon?
Pork belly.
Pork belly, ba't ganyan?
Inside.
Ah, nasunog.
Maliliit.
Oh, huwag mo masal. Oh, huwag mo sunugin. Brown lang, okay na. Tapos,
Siguro dito.
hindi, ilagay mo yan. Sige, mamaya na. Maano din naman yan eh. Sa dami yan. Pero bago ka maglagay ng iba, linisin mo muna yung grill.
Oh yeah, dito lang yun.
Yeah.
Frozen pala to.
Ha?
Frozen pala to.
Frozen na frozen.
Aha.
Baka may bugbogin nila. Hindi natin yan kaano. Kalahin.
Sino? Saan? May kasamang hindi kalahin natin?
Hindi, may bayatang bata doon na isa eh.
Yeah, come on, their pants is gonna get dirty.
Okay guys. Yeah, get out now. We cannot eat.
Her mom said to get out.
Go back to your tent, everybody.
5.
Okay. Adela, that's it. Adela, that's it. Adela,
Something is bad.
can you listen to Lolo? Please.
I have it today.
Yes.
Come here, Dominic. Together because it throws up everywhere. Spider Kelly, Clarendon Ballroom. I don't know this guy. I don't know him. I don't know myself.
Dinner time.
Saan yung kanin? Wala pala tayong kanin.
Ayun o.
I don't do
Dinner time.
Chloe, chicken and rice. Okay. Because if you say no, that's it. That's it.
Doon pares dito siya.
Hmm?
Pares.
Plates.
Pares?
No, kaya lang tento na lang ating natita lang.
Kasi ano ba yung pares na sinasabi?
Parang
Kapag kere, man-assign daw ele. Yung Palawan na to or somewhere.
Dahil mo makaramang video, dahil.
Do not touch that. Tumpak pa lang yata eh. Hindi pa apoy.
Pili naman nyo.
Wow. That is getting toasted.
Ito yung cellphone kaya kasi dito.
Dog.
Si Alex. Laki yan si Alex. Noy, oh. Okay, come here.
Ano?
No, you can put there. The fire, a little bit in the fire. Look.
No. Yum, yum. Oh.
Ay, tumalis naman si Marcus. Get back there, Marcus.
Marcus, where are you going?
It's okay, kuya.